Welcome to Born Cottage. Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area with size of 4 feet in meter 1.21 meter wide. And on the left side we have outdoor sitting area with size of 14 feet 8 inches into 5 feet in meter 4.47 into 1.52 meter. In the center we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have a living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall. And on the back side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area. And we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom and a large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of living area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have a dining counter with 4 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the right side we have a bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and we have large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this bedroom and 2 doors for access this bedroom from kitchen and also a living area. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.